Morning, one and all, and welcome to the virtual class. As you know, myself, Sunita teacher. Today, I will teach you a new topic in a grammar, that is the assertive to interrogative. Assertive to interrogative, that is the part of the types of the sentences. First, we will see how many types of sentences, okay, that we have discussed as at before. That first is assertive sentences, which carry the both, that is affirmative as well as negative. Okay, the both the sentences carry and comes under the assertive sentence. Second is interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence, and then exclamatory sentence. Okay, now let us see each sentences in detail. First, assertive sentences that tells information or states a fact. Okay, and that sentence is end with the full stop. Okay, it can be a affirmative. The affirmative, that means a positive sentence, and negative, that means in a negative meaning. Okay, examples are there. Dhoni is a great player. In the sentence you will find only the positive sign, and it is a real fact stated sentence. Okay, so Dhoni is a great player, then it is put there full stop. That is the affirmative sentence. Then after comes a negative sentence. The sandwich was not tasty. The sandwich was not tasty. Okay, in the sentence you will find a one negative word, that is a not. So that's the reason this sentences comes under the negative sentence. But here again I want to repeat here, student, that affirmative and negative both comes under the assertive sentences. They both comes under the assertive sentences. Okay, remember this thing. Now, see the next. Now, what is the interrogative sentence? Now, what is the interrogative sentence? As I told you, students, the sentence which state a question with a question mark, that is called a interrogative sentence. Okay, that is called the interrogative sentence. But here, not just a simple interrogative, we have to convert it into a negative interrogative. Have you seen this sentence? Notice the sentence. Is this sentence, Dhoni is a great player? Okay, this is a positive, that means a affirmative sentence. Positive, that means a affirmative sentence. Remember this thing, students. Okay, I will not remember this thing. This affirmative, that means a positive sentence. So now this Dhoni is a great player. This sentence we have to convert it into an interrogative. We have to convert it into interrogative, but not in a positive way, not in an affirmative way. We have to convert it into a negative interrogative. We have to convert it into a negative interrogative. Understood? So what is the sentence? Isn't Dhoni is a great player? Isn't Dhoni is a great player? Isn't. So that means they are asking the question also, but they are framing the sentence in a negative way. Okay. Negative plus interrogative, that is the negative interrogative sentence. That isn't Dhoni is a great player. So in this sentence, they are using the negative word, as well as they put a question mark because they're framing the sentence of question. Isn't Dhoni is a great player? So this is the sentence of negative interrogative. Okay. Now let us see the next one. The next sentence is, the sandwich was not tasty. The sandwich was not tasty. Now this is already a negative sentence, but this is the interrogative sentence. No, this is not the interrogative sentence. This is just a complete real fact sentence, that sandwich was not tasty. Now, this negative sentence, we have to convert it into an interrogative. Okay, but only just an interrogative? No, we have to convert it into a affirmative interrogative. We have to convert it into a affirmative interrogative. Okay, so students observe this thing. Here, the sandwich was not tasty. Negative word is there. But when we are converted into interrogative, no, not a simple interrogative. Affirmative interrogative, you can observe there is no negative words they are using. Was the sandwich tasty? Question mark. Understood? Okay. So this is the simple thing. This is a simple thing I want to explain you, that assertive carries a two types of sentence. Positive, just a second, let me use pen. That is positive, and second is negative. Assertive sentence, two types of sentence. Okay. Now we have to convert it, sorry, affirmative. That is affirmative. Now we have to convert it affirmative into a interrogative. Affirmative into a interrogative. But a simple interrogative? No. Negative interrogative. It should be a negative interrogative. Understood? It should be a negative interrogative. If we have the sentence in assertive, negative, if we have this negative sentence, we have to convert it into interrogative. Only just a simple interrogative? No, we have to convert it into a affirmative interrogative. We have to convert it into a affirmative interrogative. So in simple method, just keep in your mind, if the sentence is positive, convert it negative interrogative. If the sentence is negative, convert it into affirmative interrogative. That means the opposite, vice versa. Okay. So I hope this is understood the concept. Now let us see the basic rules. Okay. When you converted assertive into negative interrogative or negative into assertive interrogative, so there are the basic rules that we have to follow, students. Okay. Students, in a grammar, you should be remember the rules. Okay, the basic rules, because without rules you're not able to do the grammar is just like the maths. How the maths supposed to have the method, logic they are using and solving the each and every problem. The same way the grammar also have the rules. Okay. So certain kind rules that you have to follow, then only you are able to develop your vocabulary. Yeah, otherwise not. So pay attention towards here. What is the rule? If you observe the sentence, if you observe the sentence, affirmative. Okay, this is our sentence. It is an affirmative. He is a good player. He is a good player. Now, this is the which sentence? Affirmative is a negative or positive? Affirmative is a negative or positive? Yes, it is a positive sentence. Now, this sentence we have to convert it into interrogative. But just a simple interrogative? No, we will use negative interrogative. So when we are trying to convert it into negative interrogative, we have to write in this way. Isn't he is a good player? See here. Isn't he is a good player? Isn't he is a good player? Question mark. That means you are asking a question, but the sentence it shows the negative. Okay. Now let's take the another example. Another example, that is the negative sentence we have. What is the negative sentence? He isn't a good player. He isn't a good player. Now this we have to convert it. This we have to convert it. Which sentence? This we have to convert it. Which sentence? Negative, only a negative? Only a negative? Very good, Koval, that we have to convert it negative interrogative. Very good. That we have to convert it into a negative interrogative. Negative interrogative because that we have to frame the question, but in that sentence we must have use negative word. Okay, remember this thing. Because what we have to do basically here, that we have to convert it assertive to interrogative. हमें assertive से interrogative में convert करना है. तो अगर assertive positive है, so it will be a negative interrogative. If the negative sentence we have, so you have to convert it affirmative interrogative. That you have to convert it into a affirmative interrogative. Okay, now let us see some other more example, students. Okay, and be attentive. In between, I can ask any students question. Now, no auxiliary verb. If you find in a sentence there are no auxiliary verb, that means there are no helping verb. There are no helping verb like is, are, was, this kind of helping verb. If you find out there, it's not mentioned in the sentence at that time, what you have to use? Do, does, did, or don't, doesn't, didn't. Okay. With the help of these words, you can make your sentence. Okay. Now we have here one example. We have one example that they played football. They played football. Okay, fine. Now, if in a sentence there is no helping verb, for the example, they played football yesterday. Okay, they played football yesterday. So this is a positive sentence. We have to convert it into a affirmative negative interrogative. Didn't they play football yesterday? And then put a question mark. Okay. Now instead of this, I will use some another sentence. I will use the another sentence. For example, that they, let me choose pen. Okay. Okay. They sing, they sang, sang a song yesterday. They sang a song yesterday. Okay, then full stop. They sang a song yesterday. Okay. Now, dear students, please tell me, first of all, this is an affirmative sentence or negative sentence? This is an affirmative sentence or negative sentence? Affirmative sentence. Very good. Now, this we have to convert it to interrogative, right? Just an interrogative. Yeah, this is affirmative sentence. But now I'm asking the second question. This we have to convert it into interrogative. Simple interrogative or else negative interrogative or else affirmative interrogative. Yes, very good. Sumit Dhuri and other students that we have to convert it into a negative interrogative. Negative interrogative. Very good. Okay. So in this sentence, students, you are not observing is, are, was, is not over there. Okay. So instead of this, what we have to use? We have to use do, doesn't, didn't, does, this kind of words we have to use. All right. Now, with the help of this, now let me make negative interrogative. Now we will make negative interrogative. Okay. Wait, let me erase all this thing. Then I will write the sentence that didn't they sing, didn't they sing song yesterday? Wait, let me rub all this thing. So I'll make here the sentence. Didn't they sing a song yesterday? Didn't they sing a song yesterday? And then question mark. Okay, I'm supposed to make a sentence in an interrogative way, but the negative it should be there, the negative words it should be there. तो आपको इस तरीके से सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट करना है कि वो एक इंट्रोगेटिव भी लगे as well as it should be a negative also. Okay. Here we have the next, that is the never ever. If you find in a sentence never, that we have to replace ever. Now never, this word obviously shows that it comes under the negative. Okay. I never drink tea. I never wear a blue dress. I never like to go to the picnic. So this kinds of sentence where you find a never, that you have to replace by ever. So how will be our sentence? Do I ever drink tea? Do I ever drink tea? As I told you, students, if in a sentence there are no helping verb, if there are no helping verb, that time we are using such kinds of words like a do, does, did, or don't. So observe in this sentence, there are no helping verbs. So they are using do. Okay, I never drink tea. Do I ever drink tea? Then the question mark. Okay. Now, let me see the next rule. What is the next rule? The next rule is, if you find in the sentence